our goalie played outstanding. Our goalie had the best game I think he's ever had. Our defense also got a lot better today. Our goalie Morgan Bunkers, by the way, was shut out today. And then our defense played much better than we have. We got a key player back on defense, Liam Devon, who's a veteran. He's going to be one of our strengths on defense throughout the year. And then we had strong play from our seniors, from C.J. Meyer, from Nick Atanasio blocking shots, and Henry O'Brien being strong. We had good effort from our red line, which is Sam Meyer, Ryan Morse, and Dylan Shapiro. They all played an outstanding game. So it's really strength from our goalie, our defense, and then straight through our gold and our red lines, who are some veteran leadership. So it's a good deal.